So Dumiensa, Yatuntum Radio, we had so no, a bedroom so Cassia, watching me more quaba medasi, so Shadum TV in Sabno, Dubeti be and say. One more than a drefie and bambo for one more moon and I bet you just said ye and San Jumanta tea and Chacrano, what more a binya bisanso na kwa by a sabe or be a young quadradano, betray a children's ward, no sabre at Tiapan some young penny for stress, one way can be mayor one Adom. Nipa Marco had 9 year dream you was shut down would more at the computers one stress swabber for video castle, warbo mount for chrono young penny for a coaching warnum. Na Marshabe drefie to Chiremua. Mpanimfo bi tape aba abonte a woche se be yanka police ahene wonyini influence na afimpiru ne aduani na abato aduru no wo betena se na sa tape no wo mo ahwehwem we ne nsem ahodo bi na begina hade ma wo se bedwam so kase wo hia me ayi afreme anoche wa ba ajiwa se wa fe nsem ne chemu no me de to so ama Ghana Prison Service na say jumekwa ya pass won hwe ne duafie ho ensem eso wo mu chiremu a wo nam National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program so say braso say wo mo da ne duafie hodo no wo mu so da ne duafie de nanso so akwanya wo hodo ma wo so wo yentete ma wo mo sebia wo pia bonten ba wo mo da chen ebetumi akoyie no se we no yentete stronko kra wo de ama mo ensado dwuma kwan so ne no kra da nchen afi kra no obesa hwe na bosia hodo wo de ma wo mo betumi de free adwuma no a watete wo mo e wo bra no da ne duafie ni no wo de ama wo mo na Adom kase e de echi
ne ya ma prisons inmates ya hoden a ya kire mo se de yesa na me ya ne 6 training centers nyina no ma ba exhibit sa na me bi wo ha minim se mo de cameras ya toto so a e fe ye a ye ne FDA ne Ghana Standard Authority e din sa wo so make sure say omo ama approval na labels ya se de bo ho as made in Ghana Prison they aboho na omonso de akodwa so akoton
Isaac Ajiri director of prisons wachiremu a saade a wono mada na die ebeboa pa
inmates who have more time to do in prison will also be given similar packages to enable them apply their skills in prison, culminating into some form of earning scheme for themselves as well as the prison service.
John Kuma swafo bi de kira wo show men sikasem so wono so edensem bi etoa so dwumadi na se.
It is part of the president's vision to build Ghana as an entrepreneurial nation. What we mean by that is that we want to encourage every person, every individual, every Ghanaian, whether you are in prison or you're out of prison, whether you are in school or out of school, whether you are a journalist or a politician. Let's look at how we can all start businesses and encourage young people to find jobs.
Free na duafie ho nsem na yenkwa pomde ho ensem emu medical coordinator yo wokwa wu aban ayare sabia de yensem atudwa won ha nyina sa bompotem hono a aban ayare sabia ye bompotem hono a ene kwawu government hospital na esi areho sam afri ho ba ne se okobia ya nkwada yade a wode wo moto na children's ward no sa bredi aginsem quarantine ya mane boni kwasi dwamna ene medical coordinator yi atwetwe nkomo de ade hwede to mpanimfo akabi wo mu Ghana ba so ya wono hwa pomde ho nsem so so strada kwa wa ban yare sabia bia ya nkwada ne da no ehiansiesie ni manimu ya.
If you can even see where we are standing right now, your car park say canopy na we don't have walls for most of hospital. Yeah, children's wards and so to see there I break it down cry and see a hand renovation. To say obi wo ho na obetimi aboy with either cash and say equipment. And obi na obetumi aye construction e wo hospital ase e beboa pra.
Dr. Emmanuel Asiedu Mensa director wada Pinnacle Amofaba Education Service ano wokwaya resabia honom ekoye wonom emmoa na woni amane boni atwetwe nkomo no na wo kire de ehia ni nkura nti a wode saa ne ama no ekodom ayaresabia no.
If the hospital say what ko hanyina no TBA any the biggest we in Kokoa the next is TBA and the TBA is one of the oldest a handsome near woman. You know, I felt like coming back to my own roots. Senior lucky to be okay. And Sanima Winina ye near ma before say hospital ni here. Nti ye can say this get to so thousands of pounds. And so say charity say oh UK the boy ya. Then I be ye so say the babe boy. Ko mai.
Enche bia na betu odwa so kwa be fontentan kase no so a ene o manfo do na woni tumi kwata nso be loan app ye ne wutumi download bi wo so obeba obosia be wiase no ensi hu bum wanti bi entwa bo so do pictures ne ba hodo nam abefo ntentai kase no so na wo bo dede se wo de ka wabeje bosia wantua na nsa bi beto odwa no o my Ghana classic akrabia batan Bank of Ghana de ho krata ba bonte twese sa loan apps na online na no dodo no ho no wo to be kwatenti obetu wo mo so sa enunti na mpanimfo mo hwe abefo ntentai afidie ho krono bo me cyber crime no wo mo atie simonte so akokyere maburu makoma hanan ene aduonu mienu agege laptops ahodo bi aka ho susu se wo mo hye dem no nam abefo ntentai akwa ne so ebo manfo krono
23 at 9:30 in the morning, a team comprising personnel from the Economic and Organized Crime Office, led by Mami Yati West team, the Cybersecurity Authority, led by the Law Enforcement Liaison Unit of the Authority, and Bank of Ghana, together with the Ghana Police Service, conducted a swoop at 3 separate locations in Accra, effecting the arrest of more than 400 persons. And the government, through the Cybersecurity Authority and its agencies represented on the JCC, have a shared responsibility of addressing cybersecurity matters and are committed to fighting cybercrime and maintaining public safety of citizens online.
Nwachei, an executive director with the Economic and Organized Crime Officer no COP Mame Yatiwa Adodankwa echiremu se ebra wo kire se ani pay wonom eje SIM cards or hawoche any mobile phones or hensia any aduonum 9 654 every one ho
na se basa wantimi entua loan no da esi betua na because one more information or more access to phone so no enti niam e wo so watwa picture one kasa one ma wo the Ghana card information no more use information na wo phone so no more dey blackmail you e be take time kakra ansa na ye biebie ni nyina so court processes nso wo ma ese e court koji tumi e betimi ama ye bie phone so ama ye bie laptops no so ama ye de akwama omo from forensic digital forensic expert no ma hwehwe ni nyina mu.
Every one of my concern for Emwana African Continental Unity Party ACUP for Krabe Bomwana Sabrede abato komisano amomo krata ya edi adanse ase afede womo edimu anesana interim national women organizer Christiana Champo Jare woni Adom kasi atwetwe nkobo no chese ebra so se Ghana for esesan wadwen wo yi we ni free MPP NDC amonyoko mienu no mu nyina ba wo mutire mopo eye ba ko pass wadwen Ghana won so wadwen Ghana won mu nyina afo ho emedom African Continental Unity Party sebe ya obetumi age o my Ghana asiho
na hey ene nyame aye Adom ma yensa kan ye provisional license provisional certificate ma ye ho kwan se ye betimi atotototo ye nyoma na yetimi aba akanbom sa amonyokuo na yetimi abaye full-fledged political party enti na ye tonsa frema na ye pese mo ba ebedi adanse se ko bi wo ho aye from African Continental Unity Party ACUP and say ACAP na ACUP. There is some who say yeah, they are strong in the sense say yeah no, we are guided by an ideology. Per se. Yes, sister senior in Crofo Amanyoko, yes, because Amanyoko dear. Oh, yeah, I was say, Utimide in Punto Bacronim, Utimia Matime Mufono, Sabi or many Gio Moho, no moon say you, ye were in Penny for and I were Edican for, and Tia per se, sister, Sa Adina, Ayas Atochima, Ama Uka Manyokwa, no be arguing say, say Nyakrono, but and yes, dear, Nanya and Yoma and Sembebre, ye per se, sister Sadene.
Everyone with the uncle my Ghana brush bedroom. Kwada sare nrado hane yete se tape bi ababonte na tape no nyina ye empanimfo o manfo susu mo MPP amanyoko ni mu a wose post sahene Dr. George Kufu Dampare abato nketenkete o makwade nansen abato mpesu ahodo so no opanyin se de amanyoko ne pese wode policefo eye ne ma no panyin ne makwanti ebe ya nka perifore na wontu na de so ansa na afimpiri ni aduoni na abato no aduru se bi obenya kwan no wawi abato abekoso onim na no mu na brashe bedware chese tape no wo beje atna so no ahwehwem na wono mo ekeka nsem ahodo bi de omni ne yedi mu hwehwemu no de besi bia na wo de abetudwa.
Issues around the league, they have to do with the IGP, the sitting IGP, and the attempt to remove him, and the issues about 2024 election, and what must be done to make sure that a new IGP is put in place who will collude with the sitting government to get a certain outcome. That must concern this parliament.
nanso dom kase wa mmahye bedwam echiremu a saa eni a eda kasafidie so ehun sem ababeda deja ewo manyimu no so afo hwe afisam so ebetumi ayemu hwehwemu wa abra ehun sem emeto mmahye bedwam.
Let it not be said that the president planning to remove IGP. When I know it's not true, it's my duty to put out there, it is not true.
So until such a time that is determined, you cannot jump to such a conclusion and state that they are using that to undermine the sovereign will of the people.
So to get the impression that an IGP can do something extraordinary wonderful to assess a party to win election is wrong. If there's a tape and you want it to be investigated, I in principle have no problem.
Nanso one more dom kuma na fa echiremu a ensem a wasa kasafidie no so no etieti o menya sumdue ene Bible ho nsem so.
Those behind this whole thing should be punished. They should be prosecuted to serve as a deterrent.
And to appreciate what Dampari is doing in preserving this, we are requesting for a parliamentary inquiry into this matter. And we are only asking for investigations. Yes. Nothing more than investigations.
Abra one more dom kuma no dom kese na fa edu wonsem nyina etudwa no ena emrahye bedwamu chia mehene enso edi sansemi eto aso.
And so I direct that a statement be submitted in writing to me to assist me perform my duties.
Yegusu agina mmahye bedwam ho no ana nkobotwetwe ne mu ano ena edom kuma mmahye bedwafie ede ade hwede ato mmahye bedwam achia mehene ne mu se wo mu asre kwan se bre bia se no mmahye bedwane James Jachi Kwesen obakopie mu asɛmdi bia no mu nyina de mu do ba kwata da chi e wa asɛmdi bia ho nti ebeyanka speaker na se mmahye bedwam achia mehene wanyi ntum sa na mmahye bedwam achia mehene Alban Kingsford Sumana Backbend etrese wojitu mu enye ye sansa adwempo de teche no emma eye mmahye bedwa no agina tuo enkoyenti adabia dom kuma no amma mmahye bedwam ametna se ama asam kan koso no adano wo mo hwe no emma ke wo mo se wo mamma se be ya ntoto bi ho no mo a anasotwe bi ho no mo a ebe kwama wo no.
Rise to seek your guidance on this matter so that just for accuracy's sake, so the impression is not created that we just are absenting ourselves and are not working. At least there should be a line that the minority caucus boycotted proceedings, just for the accuracy of our records.
Na sansemi a wodi tudwa no ema akasa esi wo emrahye bedwam ho no mo a emrahye bedwafo a wonom edom MPP amanyuko na wodom kese na fa enso ede wonom anotu mu bie.
My brother from Northtown asking for you to create a line stating that they were absent to accompany our colleague in court, I don't think has any place in our votes and proceedings. Once you are absent, you are absent.
This morning, I have signed in front of the name of my constituency that I have attended Parliament. I'm here. And that's what we all do. So when people attend Parliament, they sign as recorded that they have attended Parliament to sitting. If they don't do it, they have absented themselves.
Afami nu ekeka wonsem nyina ewieye no ena mmahye bedwam chia mehene Alban Bagbin ehye se obi biara wo domkuma na fa na wo bedi ensem wo ekoso ewo court wachi na wa ma asetena no obeturo ni din se wa ma mmahye bedwam ho no mokora.
Now when you choose not to attend, depending on your own action, you could be marked as absent, and that means without permission, or absent with permission. Now, the with permission means there's evidence, not oral, but in writing, that the Speaker has granted you that permission to be absent.
Yenfree mmahye bedwam na yemra eye Brim South Bensi ni mu wapoye mantem no mu ye kwakogina mu wachem aduasa na omanfo dodo na wo ho no mesa ho ne die ho nsem ti dodo na ne cholera yare no atiesi ho no chemu a enya de se bia ya wo mu gya won na jana bia papa bia eni potem ho no de adehwede ye mu ode to mpanimfo aka bi wo mu betuma besi se jana bia mo se wasra do ma ye wo mo adom se bia ya de ya ma ne ho mene so ho no ano bebrase
yeni toilet wa from Manina, it was German, Eguya. If for Baha, I sent my phone from Baha, almost say, Muko cancer. Take us for Baha, some Muko cancer. I forgot us for some free. Tell you, would see there. Kuweka kakai apanko kuweka kakai aha authority ewo ana balance mutu gubebe a omuma container kwa no yeri container wa ha ita na mutu boda nyina agu
afia we die woma my baby papa ne ya anko toilet no ma fa container ni bia mesia ha container no ma yebi woma me yebi dia yesi aba no ya ntu abane ma enkofo do bebo do be han yo han bebo yo kufa do bebo yo han bebo no ya ntu wo ye bapa mo ya sa ntu kwakra ya bedi ntu ko bebem ne omo nyina aduane akọ
man wo matade a atade no kwa me won say me bape ese me ko jare ni nyare ntina me wo matade na makoyo because me nya ba bia enko toilet mi wura ho so asema be fie so wo wura dem kra say wo dem ho da toilet nan say dey wo
Yemfi hono na yenko eye bosome from ensini mu wasante mantem no emuna nan wada sukase eto no ama esuo pra ene ya tretra ya yira na eyire na arisiafo a wonum friends se eko school wo bia ya hodo bia no wonum headmaster dia de hwede modern to mpanifo dem sensamso ya obeye be ma adisuafo na tumi atwa nsuo no akode gya no omeye ma omo sanse mo ntwen ma akoda bi nkofiri ntom na afi wonte omanfo mu nsuo ni mu nyese wo hwe na afa wokofo omo mu wi a afi da na monto esefata wo mu tuani manimu ya panifo meye nsamso se bia nkoda fa nsuo so ko school no wombamba ho nsam ebekoye
Yesan ha adwen kura ne se nsu ni euro se emaya na wo mu no omonye omensisa na wo so mo trafi be 6 to 7 days and every month bia no na se student bia trafi so yoba 7 days a on ku school e ade a emmoa akola no adesua mane nkoso kura enti yesre aban se obetumi aye adoma ohwe na onwe bridge no na emmoa ma se ne open education ye ne reforms ahodo de aba no ebe wie peye e de ama nkwala no
Nana Eugene Mensa eya kwamu hene ewo adanse ensese ono nso ede nsem bi eto aso
media kakra me ka kira ba ne se ohwe na se ontimi ma meye bridge ne mfa mayen a sa amna bi na watu o pila no nke so musi miensa ene se omusi omotu baako mienu masi mienu sisi abaako aka no ama yesi ensuo na ayi sisi na ma ho no nyina nso ye de ehi nti aye hu pa nti misra ban se omra no ma meye bridge menye saso ama no ama meye bridge na amayen a 2024 he no obiale ensi ha ama meye campaign bia okuri mu
adanse sese hodobwa na mene okasa die adisuafo a wonom ewo adanse sese die basic school wo mu enya library stronko kra ya wo ma hye mo mma ebeboa e ma kenkan wa dindi mo no akoye na ne nyina eye to live in hope ejumakoye nsha abanya se no akoye sa school ni adisuafo yi adoye
ye din kan shase ya library no ba kon e de aman sutaman ya computer lab e de aman sutaman de tosumienu ye enne ya be ye nsese library ya be ye e de ama wo mo se ohwemi nuanu mu a ewo me nchen ya omo ina free UK ene ba ye se o library ya efe enye ni printing ye se mo fra no ebetumi nya bre esunya ade na omo nso etumi enya akoya na adan akomu
Max Odonko ene epanyi kwanchefo wo da adwumaku ansha abanyase a edin da so ene life in hope wono so editu da se wono asi libraries bebro hasan e wa santemantam mu na fei ene adru bosome frɛ ho abato mpeso so ya ne senti wa konsese akwakosi library bi ama wono
schools there ye beboa ya over 300 libraries e wa Ashanti region ha na afa ni atiasi sa mansinemu ye sra aban se se enema ne bedu portal sika ya omogye no special computers and books yet meje over 1 billion ansa na yi
wonom kasa no akirei enana kwasi ahuro ya woye ensese kontin hene enso de nsem sei eto aso
yankwada no edu enyimira omuta pie enchi de bema aba mfata ba no se edu enyimira omutima behye abakan woma edu awiabre a betima ahwo abakan woma afese eticha fo no be ni o makasa omo hye kwada no na muntube enhwe woma no so na omuntube nsua